what's it called? Yeah, in regards to the covet of another person. Let's say you did something that's disrespectful, right, to someone else, where if you knew about it, you wouldn't be happy, but you did it privately, right? Okay, let's say you had a picture of him, right? And then you threw it in the garbage, for example. Does that count as an avera to HaShem or an avera against him, and you have to, what's it called, say sorry to him?
Better, I would say that just keep it quiet. Don't tell him anything. I mean, why would you provoke all of these feelings? I mean, if he's a normal person or he likes you very much, and say, you know, after what I did to you, I would do even worse to myself. Yeah, but when he, let's say, but when he's not, he's going to keep grudge against you until the rest of his life. So it's putting a stumbling block in front of the blind person. Don't do that.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, but of course, you do teshuvah. It's between you and HaShem in this case. It's always between us and HaShem. Even when we hurt another person, whatever we did to other person, right? So it is also avera that we do that HaShem said not to do it. Right, so that's always. So you do teshuvah between you and HaShem and leave that person alone. Don't tell them. Not a good idea. Okay. Any other questions on what we said?
I have one about this. Is it right that sins made during World War II were against HaShem and not between people?
Since can you give me example? What are you talking about? Because it's very broad.
Yes, because I read in the comments some sure about the Holocaust. Somebody say that since were people were sinning against each other, and not against HaShem. Those sins were not against HaShem. The comments say. So what is the truth about this?
I mean, I'm not sure what is the context. I mean, you didn't clarify, but basically, of course, I mean, as we said before, all sins between man and man, it's also between man and HaShem. So even when you let's say somebody borrowed the money from somebody else and he did not pay back, right? So of course it's between one man and another man. But also, let's say he decided to do teshuvah 5 years later. He brought him the money, he brought him the cake, he brought him children, all the gifts and stuff like that. Baruch Hashem, everything is good, right? The person forgave him. So now he has to ask forgiveness of HaShem because HaShem said, "Don't do it to your brother." You understand? So it's always it's never like if it's it could be between man and God, and could be about man and man and God. So it's always combination. You understand? So I mean, I would not go like by the comments, whatever people write there, and especially about Holocaust, people get very excited, very emotional. They then use their brain. They can insult somebody like.